Hi, I am teacher Nirmeen. I'm the English teacher for the 6th grade from Zarqa University Schools for Females. And in this lesson, you are going to learn about modal verbs اللي هم must, have to, and should. English learners sometimes they mix between the modal verbs. So, in today's lesson, I'm going to differentiate between them or to teach you when or how to use them. Let's start by must and mustn't. We use must and mustn't to give rules. Okay? Now, if you say, you must stay with your guide at all times, you mean that you have to. يعني it's important or it's necessary to stay with your guide. You have no choice. Okay? بينما when you say or if you say you mustn't touch this sculpture, you mean that you are not allowed to touch the sculptures. You have no choice. تمام? So this is the first modal verb اللي هو must and mustn't. Now let's talk about have to and don't have to. We use it to talk about necessary or unnecessary things. Let's look at the examples. When you say, I have to go to school early tomorrow, you mean that it's important to go to school. Okay? يعني it's necessary to go to school early. تمام? But when you say you don't have to bring any food, you mean that يعني it's okay if you bring and it's okay if you did not bring. تمام؟ يعني you have the choice to do the thing. Okay, so this is the difference between don't have to and mustn't. Mustn't, you are forbidden to do the thing. You are not allowed to do. بينما don't have to, you have the choice to do or not to do the thing. Okay, so again, must, mustn't, have to, and don't have to. Now must and have to, they aren't exactly the same, but they are quite similar. However, mustn't and don't have to are completely different, as I said. Okay? طيب, let's go to the third couple اللي هو should and shouldn't. We use should and shouldn't to give advice. The first example, you should wear light clothes in spring. يعني this is my advice for you, okay? To wear light clothes in spring. ونفس الشيء, you shouldn't eat so much chocolate. This is an advice. You have the right or the choice to do or not to do the thing. It is just an advice or it is just an opinion. طبعا should, shouldn't, ought to, and ought not to, they are the same, okay? They are used for giving advice, okay? Or opinions. The last two examples, you ought to eat seafoods. It's so delicious. It's my opinion for you. Or the last one, you ought not to bring valuable things to this school. برضو, it is my advice for you. You have the choice to do or not, or to follow or not to follow this advice. تمام؟ هلا, what I want you to do is exercise number 3, class book, page 87. I want you to do it by your own and send it to me. Okay? I'm waiting for your answers. Thank you.